All right, so here there is question number 6, and that is drawn from experimental physics derived from resonance column. And by giving the question from this part, JEE again has stood up to its expectation by drawing question from the defined experimental topic. It says to measure the speed of sound by resonating air column, a tuning fork of frequency 500 Hz has been used. The length of the air column is varied by changing the level, and 2 successive resonances are heard at the column of length 50.7 and 83.9. But notice, the question does not say this is the first resonance heard. They are successive. Like it could be 7th harmonic, then this would be 9th, because only the odd harmonics would be present. But it is not first and third. That hasn't been specified. That may come out of calculation. That's another issue. Now, on the basis of this thing, 50.7, 83.9, let's try to see. The value that has to be calculated is speed of sound, end correction, wavelength, and whether 50.7 corresponds to the fundamental or not. The same stuff that we were talking about. One thing is sure, that 83.9 and 50.7 are 2 successive, so the subtraction has to be lambda by 2. That is very sure. Now, if this is the situation, let's try to calculate how much is the lambda. So this is going to be 33.2 equals to lambda by 2. In other words, the value of lambda that I would be getting is 66.4 centimeter. By the way, once I get lambda, I also have the frequency 500 Hz. So calculating speed of sound is not a problem. 66.4 centimeter into 500 Hz, when you calculate, the speed of sound would come out to be 332 meter per second. Okay, even the C option has been correct now. The wavelength is 66.4. The remaining B and D has to be done. We'll have to calculate the end correction and whether 50.7 corresponds to the fundamental or not. The idea is very clear because this is lambda. In the fundamental, the length would be very close to lambda by 4. Why did I say very close? Because the end correction has to be considered. And for 66.4 centimeter, the 1/4 value would come something around 16 centimeter. So that 16 centimeter is, that's a length of the first resonance when it is heard, because that's lambda by 4. And the resonance that has been reported here is 50.7. So it is very close to 3 times lambda by 4. So therefore, this one has to be the 3rd harmonic. So the option number D would be incorrect. And then the turn comes out to calculate the end correction. Now you could very easily see 3 lambda by 4 has to be equal to the calculation value, which is 50.7 plus of end correction. That's the situation. 3 lambda by 4 is 50.7 plus of end correction, because we have already figured out that 50.7 is in the 3rd harmonic. And when you calculate the end correction comes out to be minus of 0.9 centimeter, while the option B has been given as plus of 0.9 centimeter. So we will not be going with option number B. Therefore, for question number 6, option number A and option number C would be the correct option. A plus C rather, that would be the case. So A and C are the correct option for question number 6. Let's move to the next question.